In this video, we will learn how to divide the number 61 by 4 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 6. We know that 4 times 1 is 4. Subtract, we get 2. 2 is less than 4, so we will bring down this number 1 here. Now 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract, we get 1. Now 1 is less than 4, but we have no number to bring down here. So we will borrow one zero, and for that we need to put a decimal here. Now 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract, we get 2. Again 2 is less than 4, so we will again borrow one zero, and we know that 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have obtained the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 61 divided by 4 is equal to 15.25. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.